Hi, Bill McRae here. I want to show you the SoloAd website a little bit so you can see how it works. It will be completely configured. We'll put a new logo on there. You can change anything you want on these pages. It's blog based. We have a support desk. We have a privacy policy. We have a blog which will teach you how to use. This is where the customer will place orders, be able to track. They can place their orders once they create their account. They'll be able to buy either niche traffic, which should be either health and fitness, no mobile, personal development or personal development no mobile, or they can buy BizOp traffic, which is going to be bulk of your business. And you can actually adjust these prices. But I want to show you the control panel. You're going to get a username and password. To log in, you simply go to the link we provide, and you'll end up in the dashboard, which I'm going to click on dashboard here. Take me into the dashboard because I want to explain to you what this website actually does. It's a combination marketing site and marketing system all contained in the one. And there's an awful lot of stuff in here that we provide that is kind of optional that you can implement, install, and use if you so desire to want to use it. I've owned a software company for the last 12 years, and I continue to develop some small projects from time to time. Okay, these projects are just WordPress plugins. One of the plugins that we have is called WP Traffic Pro. I'm going to show you that in a minute. First thing I want to show you is once you get this site, you can go. You're going to have this owner's training panel right here. Click on that link, and it's going to take you to the owner's training. And it's going to show you a bunch of things you need to know, just how to run the website, how to handle your orders, how to set up your PayPal, make sure you get your payments so it doesn't come to me instead of you. So I'm going to go back into the dashboard. I want you to be aware that the training is there. Okay. We use a program called Easy Digital Downloads, EDD, but we have modified that dramatically to collect our SoloAd orders. So we have EDD and EDD SoloAds. So that's the first set of programming that we have right here. So if you go over here to payment history, it's going to show you orders that you have. And you know you haven't filled the order yet because you got a red mark there. So you just have to go ahead and click on this link, grab the client's link, place your order with SoloAd BizOrg. You'll get a tracking link back from us. You take that tracking link, you put it in here, and you hit update, and it notifies the customer that the order has been approved. And at that point, they'll know that you're going to be filling your order in the next 24 hours. Okay, very simple, and that's our whole order entry system there. The important thing that you need to understand, though, is this website also contains a complete marketing package down here under this plugin called WP Traffic. WP Traffic is actually my personal plugin that I wrote for me, and I've been evolving it quite a while. And if you go over here, settings is essentially a program that will allow you to connect your WordPress site up to your own YouTube channel, and then it will automatically post YouTube videos into your blog for you based on the conditions that you establish. And we'll provide additional training on how to do all this stuff if and when you make your purchase. Okay, I like doing YouTube videos. I'm doing one right now. I'm going to post this to our group, but I've done literally 300 videos, and I repost them, and I do all sorts of things with those videos that I drive so much traffic, because traffic is just a matter of taking action. Then if you come over here where it says install plugins, this is the baby I want to show you. This is the marketing system in its whole entity. This is everything you need to get seen. First of all, we have a statistics program. You can install that, and then you can activate it. Blog to Social will allow you to take your content and post it out to social media. And it's pretty powerful. I do a ton with it. Google Analytics dashboard. Let's say you want to add that. You can see I don't have it. It's not active. It's activate. So I just click on activate, and it's active now. I got to go configure it, but it's already installed. I just need to activate it. So now I have a Google Analytics panel, which is actually better than the stats that we provide normally. I'm going to go back here to WP Traffic Pro, install plugins. All sorts of different toys we have. Yoast SEO, great SEO program. Revive old posts. What that does is it takes Like I have blogs with hundreds of posts, and what it'll do is it'll take a post from 3 months ago, and it will re-syndicate that post to my Twitter account, which I've got thousands of people following me, and my Facebook account, and I get new traffic from my old post. Okay, now you can use this too. Contextual related posts actually post links between different blog posts that you have, so you can get increased reduction in your bounce rate, which means the higher your retention rate is, the more traffic you'll attract from search engines. The social media share buttons are nice because it allows people who visit your site to share your content, especially your videos or your YouTube or your blog post on social media, and it really works great. Push notification. This is so powerful. This is one of my secrets. My traffic sites, my bigger ones, I haven't activated it yet. Here, what you do is someone will visit and will come up and says, would you like to receive notifications from this website? Say yes, then when I want to send you a message, I send you a message and it pops up on your screen and says, Bill McRae has traffic at 30 cents a click. And it brings people back. It just plain works. So that is what push notification is. It's like a text message or a push notification you get on your cell phone from a mobile app. It's got a podcasting system if you want to do podcasts. It's another great way of generating content for your blog that's simple and fast. It has a content curation system, and this is what most people will probably use. Content curation system is a way of actually accumulating content from other people's blog posts, building your own blog post out of it. In 5 minutes, you can come up with a beautiful blog post and post it. Now, it's made up of bits and pieces of other people's content. It's done legitimately. It gives links to those people. But what it does do is it comes into your blog, and that blog content gets syndicated to social media. It gets picked up by the search engines, and it drives traffic. And since the content is the content that you pick based on specific keywords, it's going to be highly targeted about traffic. So that's how you run that. The BotRx system is in case you're getting attacked from, let's say, people in China who are stealing your bandwidth and stuff like that. It's something you probably never use, but if you want to use it, you can. If all you got to do to install that is click on this install, and it's going to install it for you. It's going to go out to WordPress.org, bring it in, install it. All you got to do is click activate. Now that I've activated it, it's going to be able to actually, I'll have to put in the, there it is right there. I'll have to set the actual program up, and I put the API key and I have to go get that and put it in there. There's instructions how to do that. What it's going to do though is it's going to actually make it so that you're able to block people who are taking, hackers and stuff like that are trying to attack your website. So this is another thing that we provide is access to BotRx, and we have a support desk, which is right here. This is your typical support system. You are going to have people have questions. I'm not very good at running a support desk. Most people just hit me up on Skype or Facebook or something. I have to get better at running tickets and stuff like that because I manage, hundreds of orders per day, so it gets to be a lot, and the tickets are better than being interrupted constantly. But it's there, it's built into the platform. And then, of course, Pixel Caffeine, which I talked about, which essentially puts a pixel on every visitor who visits with my my Facebook ad account's pixel on it, so that I can decide at any point to start running ads just to people that have visited my site. That's called remarketing. Very, very effective, and it's very low cost. You're not paying, $1.50 for a click. You're paying, 20 cents for a click because it's only your specific audience. So the way this marketing system works is we use the content curation system, we use the YouTube system, we use the podcasting system to generate content that gets syndicated out to social media, that drives traffic straight from social media to the website, and also creates search engine traffic as well. You'll be able to monitor all of that if you use the Google analytics, so you can see where your traffic is coming from, how it's getting to your site, what keywords work, what keywords don't work. You don't need to become a geek on all this stuff unless you want to be. I am, but you don't need to be. What you'll know is you're getting traffic because you'll see the stats on your homepage. And if you want to dig into the details, you can by going to your Google accounts. Do you want to buy the upgraded version of this? I don't know. It's up to you. I don't, but I know how to log into my Google Analytics account and look at it myself. So why do you want to do that? Well, you see what works. If you're driving traffic to your website about free traffic and you sell traffic, it's kind of a stupid thing to do. You want to make sure your content and stuff is about paid traffic sources, whether it's pay-per-click or CPV or whatever. It doesn't matter. People will get frustrated with all that stuff. They ultimately come to solo ads because they're really one of the few things that work. So that's how you're going to get your business, and that's where what we've done with this site is not only give you a way to monetize it with our e-commerce platform, we've also put in our marketing package here. These are things I use every day. Now I'm going to come out with details about each and every one of these plugins over the next little while now. I just wanted to give everyone kind of a quick view at what comes with your website, because this is more than a website. It's a e-commerce and a marketing platform. And it's $1 million business to me right now. What I'm doing with my solo ad stuff, I want to grow it with you guys. So thank you.